Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can remove people or objects from photo on iPhone iOS 18. So here we're going to use Google Photos. Here you can download this app on your App Store. And then here on Google Photos, we can basically select any of the image or photo that we can use in this sample. So in this case, I'm going to select one here. And then you just have to tap on the edit option right here at the bottom beside the share button. So tap on edit and then here swipe right to find the tools section and then tap on magic eraser. So as you can see here, tap to reset highlighted suggestions or tap to erase the highlighted sections by using this eraser mode. And here you can basically just erase the image or objects that you want to delete or remove from this photo, as you can see here. So once you select all the objects that you want to remove from this image, so you just need to tap on done, and then you just have to tap on this save button here at the bottom right. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.